Chairman Pakistan People's Party Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, who for the first time ever, there have been floods before, but it's the first time ever that the government is rebuilding houses, and they're rebuilding climate resilient houses for these. So this program has been acclaimed as the flagship program by all international agencies. So for next year, the allocation for the Sindh People's Housing for Flood to complete the remaining houses is rupees 100.4 billion. Building upon the reconstruction efforts, the government has launched a $214 water, sanitation and hygiene program. The initiative will provide clean drinking water and sanitation facilities to approximately 215,000 households in 1,800 villages, benefiting more than 1 million people. In addition, design work has commenced in 200 villages under wash intervention, while physical work in 100 villages are expected to commence by the end of June 2026. So another flagship project that we've completed is the Shah Bhutto. It's a new era in connectivity. Honourable Speaker, Karachi's continued growth depends upon modern infrastructure and efficient mobility. I am very pleased to report that Shah Bhutto, one of the largest urban infrastructure projects in Sindh history, has now become operational.